distinguished members of the delegation from Zambia, my industry colleagues and dignitaries present on the dais, representatives of Indian industry, officials from embassies and Ministry of External Affairs, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor for the Indian industry to have His Excellency Honorable President of the Republic of Zambia among with us. We are grateful to the Excellency for gracing the India-Zambia business session. We are grateful for the presence of Shri Piyush Goyal, Honorable Minister for Railways and Commerce and Industry on this very important occasion. Sir, this meeting and reaffirms our commitment for strengthening bilateral ties between India and Zambia. India and Zambia have nurtured a historical cordial relationship which has deepened and diversified under the India-Africa Forum Summit. Since its inception in 2008, political exchanges and dialogues at the highest level have played a key role in building this relationship and prospering the bilateral economic engagements. My industry colleague has very aptly spoken about these relations and the prospects of their growth in the carrying time. Over the last several decades, India has come to be seen as a reliable partner and a friend, and is described by Zambian leaders as an all-weather and time-tested friend. The relationship continues to be driven by mutual respect and is based in a spirit of partnership for mutual benefits. Excellency, Zambia is a land of ample natural resources and various economic advantages. Being the Africa's second largest copper producer, the Zambian economy remains dominated by copper agriculture and mining activities. This country has been home to many Indian companies in Africa for long, and India has emerged as one of the largest investors in Zambia in various sectors such as IT, banking, mining, telecommunication, automobile, even in higher education and many others. These companies have created a large number of jobs and skills among the local communities. India is one of the world's fastest growing economies, giving space to many global economic powers to spread their wings here to cater to 1.3 billion people with the majority population of youths. We invite Zambian companies to explore business opportunities with Indian companies, not only in industry and natural resources, but in higher education and skill trainings as well. Excellency, for the second term, India is being headed by one of the most dynamic and visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, and the country has become hot favorite amongst global investors under his regime. We hope that this business summit will ignite mutual feelings of friendly business relations on both sides and find ways and means to foster stronger bonds of business to their mutual benefits. Today's deliberations would hopefully provide valuable guidance in that direction. Once again, on behalf of SHM, we thank His Excellency Honorable President of Zambia, Honorable Minister, and other delegates present here for their gracious presence. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Zambia.